Hello beautiful people, what's up? My name is Neldah Steve. In Mobuchaibu, I was Moige as Sabiri's sister, and of course, Bebwa Mamboleo. The experience was so awesome, I can say. I enjoyed working with Samora, working with Kibagendi, working with Osoro, working with Yesare. Everybody was fantastic, I can say. And the coordination was awesome. And guys, this is a very good, it's a nice movie actually, I can say. So I welcome you on board to let's support each other. And this coming Saturday, we need your help. We need you to come out and support us. We will be having the premieres of this movie Mobuchaibu at Mocha Plaza. So tuavale ganiri moche aso bonge abagusiba minto motokwata koboko, and we really appreciate. So we are looking forward to see you, and our tickets are out there. Kindly buy them as much as possible, and let's come together and support each other. Till Saturday, stay safe. Love you all.